Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're into mobile gaming and looking for smart ways to boost your progress without the grind, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming hacks, strategies, and updates. Today, I've got something game-changing for you, an easy way to supercharge your gold with Bloodstrike Hack. Works on both iOS and Android, and best of all, it's super simple. Stick around till the end so you don't miss a step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're running the latest version of the Bloodstrike. This is crucial because outdated versions can cause errors. Head over to your App Store, check for updates, and install if needed. Once you're all set, we can move to the next step. Now, open your browser and go to this site. This platform offers various tools for many popular mobile games and apps, but today we're focusing on Bloodstrike Hack. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Hack for Bloodstrike, then click on it to open the dedicated page. On this screen, you'll find all the essential information about this mod. To begin the process, click on the orange button, and the website will start injecting the mod into your game. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and device performance. During the process, you'll see various steps, such as mod injection, proxy setup, and security bypassing to ensure everything runs smoothly without putting your account at risk. The best part, it's completely automated, so just sit back, relax, and let the tool handle everything for you. To keep things secure, you may need to complete a simple verification step. This is just to confirm you're a real player and not a bot. It's usually something quick, like downloading a free app or answering a short survey. It only takes a minute or two, and once you're done, the system finalizes everything for you. If you're unsure about any part of this step, the website has a built-in guide to help. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be good to go. Once verification is done, head back into the game, and new resources should appear instantly. No waiting, no extra steps, just pure gaming. I tested this myself, and it worked like a charm. Now, I can enjoy the game without stressing over running out of resources. And that's it. Easy, right? If this guide helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends. It helps the channel a lot. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more awesome gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.